In the modern business environment, the rapid pace of change and the complexity of global markets demand that leaders possess not just managerial expertise, but also robust critical thinking and problem-solving skills. These skills are essential for navigating uncertainties, making informed decisions, and driving organizations towards success. This video delves into the significance of critical thinking and problem-solving for business leaders, explores their components, and offers practical insights into how these skills can be developed and applied effectively. The importance of critical thinking in business leadership. Critical thinking is the ability to analyze information objectively and make a reasoned judgment. For business leaders, this skill is crucial as it enables them to evaluate situations, identify potential problems, and develop strategic solutions. Critical thinking involves a range of skills including observation, analysis, interpretation, reflection, evaluation, inference, explanation, problem-solving, and decision-making. In the context of business, critical thinking allows leaders to understand the broader implications of their decisions. It helps them to foresee potential risks and opportunities, thereby making more strategic and effective choices. Moreover, critical thinking fosters innovation by encouraging leaders to question assumptions and consider alternative perspectives. This can lead to new ideas and approaches that can give the organization a competitive edge. Components of critical thinking. Critical thinking comprises several key components that leaders must develop and hone. Observation involves paying attention to details and recognizing patterns or anomalies, enabling leaders to notice trends and changes in the market, customer behavior, and organizational performance. Analysis requires breaking down complex data into manageable parts and examining them systematically, which is crucial for interpreting financial reports and market research. Interpretation involves understanding and explaining the significance of information, helping leaders determine the impact of data, policies, and external events on the organization. Reflection allows leaders to consider their experiences and biases, learning from past decisions and outcomes. Evaluation is about assessing the credibility and relevance of information sources, ensuring that leaders make sound decisions based on reliable data. Inference involves drawing logical conclusions from available information and developing contingency plans. Explanation is the clear communication of ideas and decisions, vital for justifying actions to stakeholders. Finally, problem-solving is about identifying solutions to complex issues, requiring creativity and resourcefulness to overcome obstacles and achieve goals. Together, these components form the foundation of effective critical thinking, enabling leaders to navigate the complexities of the business world with confidence and clarity. The role of problem-solving in business leadership. Problem-solving is a fundamental skill for business leaders as it involves identifying, analyzing, and resolving issues that can hinder an organization's progress. Effective problem-solving requires a structured approach, including recognizing the problem, analyzing its scope and impact, generating and evaluating potential solutions, and implementing the chosen solution while monitoring its effectiveness. Leaders must be creative and resourceful, leveraging diverse perspectives and innovative thinking to develop practical solutions that drive organizational success. By fostering a culture of inquiry and continuous improvement, leaders can enhance their problem-solving capabilities, ensuring their organizations remain adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. Developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills requires continuous learning and deliberate practice. Business leaders should stay informed about industry trends and best practices through professional development programs, workshops, and relevant literature. Engaging with diverse perspectives and fostering an inclusive environment can stimulate creative thinking and innovative solutions. Regular reflection on past decisions, maintaining a journal, and seeking mentorship can enhance self-awareness and learning. Participating in problem-solving exercises, such as case studies and simulations, helps leaders practice these skills in a controlled setting. Encouraging a culture of inquiry within the organization, where questioning and challenging assumptions are valued, further strengthens these essential leadership capabilities. Practical applications of critical thinking and problem-solving. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills are indispensable for business leaders, offering practical applications that span strategic planning, crisis management, innovation, operational efficiency, conflict resolution, change management, customer relations, and digital transformation. In strategic planning, these skills enable leaders to deeply analyze market trends, competitive dynamics, and internal capabilities, allowing them to develop robust, forward-looking strategies that align with long-term organizational goals. During crisis, leaders can swiftly identify core issues, evaluate potential impacts, and devise effective response plans, ensuring quick recovery and minimal reputational damage. In innovation, critical thinking promotes the generation of creative ideas and their rigorous feasibility assessment, helping develop products and services that meet market demands, enhancing operational efficiency. Leaders use these skills to identify inefficiencies and implement process improvements, resulting in reduced costs and increased productivity. In conflict resolution, understanding underlying issues and facilitating open communication leads to mutually acceptable solutions and a positive organizational culture. Effective change management relies on these skills to anticipate resistance, understand stakeholder impacts, and develop smooth transition strategies. Leaders improve customer relations by analyzing feedback, addressing dissatisfaction patterns, and enhancing customer experiences. Navigating digital transformations requires assessing new technologies' potential, understanding their business implications, and integrating them effectively to maintain competitiveness. Overall, these applications highlight how critical thinking and problem-solving empower leaders to make informed decisions, drive continuous improvement, and lead their organizations to sustain success in an ever-evolving business landscape. Case studies highlighting critical thinking and problem-solving. Numerous case studies illustrate the importance of critical thinking and problem-solving in business leadership. When Steve Jobs returned to Apple in 1997, he critically assessed the company's product line and streamlined offerings, focusing on innovation and strategic marketing, which revitalized the brand and propelled it to market leadership. Toyota's emphasis on continuous improvement through the Toyota Production System showcases how empowering employees to identify inefficiencies and propose solutions has maintained high productivity and quality standards. Netflix's transformation from a DVD rental service to a leading streaming platform highlights the leadership team's foresight and strategic pivot, demonstrating their ability to analyze market potential and invest in emerging technologies. These examples underscore how critical thinking and problem-solving enable leaders to navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and drive sustained success. The future of critical thinking and problem-solving in leadership. As the business landscape continues to evolve, the importance of critical thinking and problem-solving will only grow. Emerging technologies, such as artificial intelligence and big data, are transforming how organizations operate and make decisions. Leaders must leverage these technologies to enhance their analytical capabilities and derive meaningful insights from vast datasets. The shift towards digital business models requires leaders to rethink traditional approaches and embrace innovation, ensuring their organizations remain agile and competitive. Furthermore, fostering a culture of continuous learning and adaptability will be crucial, as leaders need to navigate increasingly complex challenges and dynamic environments. By integrating advanced technologies with strong critical thinking and problem-solving skills, future business leaders will be well-equipped to drive innovation, address global challenges, and achieve sustainable growth. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more videos like this, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.